What is dark matter? Imagine looking at the night sky. You can see stars, planets, and galaxies. But what if everything you can see is only a small part of the universe? Scientists believe that about 85% of all matter is invisible. This mysterious substance is called dark matter. But what is it? Dark matter is a type of matter that does not produce light. It doesn't shine, it doesn't reflect light, and it doesn't absorb light. That's why we can't see it with telescopes. So how do we know it exists? Because of gravity. When scientists observe galaxies, they notice something strange. The stars move much faster than they should. Based on the visible matter alone, these galaxies should fly apart. But they don't. Something invisible is holding them together. That invisible something is what scientists call dark matter. Think of it like the wind. You can't see the wind, but you can see the trees moving. In the same way, we can't see dark matter, but we can see its effect on stars and galaxies. So, what is dark matter made of? The truth is, no one knows yet. Scientists have many ideas, but no one has directly detected dark matter. It remains one of the biggest mysteries in science. If scientists discover what dark matter really is, it could completely change our understanding of the universe. The next time you look at the stars, remember this: everything you can see may be only a small part of what's really out there.